circuit board, and I will be opening it up right now. Okay, it comes with instructions, some stickers, some alligator clips, a USB cord, circuit board thing, which is the Makey Makey itself, and there's some wires. If you're just starting the Makey Makey though, then put the wires back in the box. Now we'll be wiring up the Makey Makey and making it to a circuit. Each of these keys represent a key on the keyboard. This one represents the up arrow, this one represents the left arrow, this one represents the down arrow, and this one represents the right arrow. This one represents the space key, this one represents the click button on your mouse. By the way, these wire colors don't matter, they're just for fun. Let's say I have the up arrow. And then what's really cool about the Makey Makey is you could use like conductive materials and you could use them in your circuit. I'll show you how. What I like about the Makey Makey is you can experiment about everything in your house and see if it's conductive or not. Then what you can do, this is where the earth comes in. You have to close up the circuit by plugging this into the earth, and if you plug it into here, it'll start going up. But wait, why is it not working? Oh yeah, you need to plug the USB into your computer. Of course, we're using the gaming PC we built in another video. If you want to see it, check my channel page and look at the videos, and you can see how I built it. There we go, plugged into the computer, all ready to go. And now if I touch this, oh, why is it not working? Again, you have to plug it into the Makey Makey. Now it should work. It'll make like a few lights show up, and now it will go up. There we go. But what also you could do is you could hold it in your hand, and then you could touch the thing, and it will go up. Let's hit the enter a couple times. Yeah, see, look, it's making it work. There are tons of contraptions you can make with this Makey Makey. You could use any kind of these. There are so many conductive materials out there. You could find any household object and test if it's conductible. There's a back of the circuit board. Maybe you could try to figure it out. It's for more advanced people, and this is where you need the wires we put back into the box. But for first-time Makey Makeys, you should get really good at this. The earth thing is so you can close the circuit. It will not work if you don't have the earth thing closing the circuit. It's kind of like the battery of a circuit. You could also use Scratch, which is a block coding programming language, to build stuff with the Makey Makey. That's really fun to do, and I will show you a video on Scratch, and maybe even a video on how to hook up the Makey Makey to Scratch and build tons of cool things. There are a lot of videos on YouTube of what people built out of these. It's really cool to watch. Maybe you should go watch some of those. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you liked the video. If you have any friends that you think would be interested in this, then you could send it to them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.